Our communities are the lifeblood of our nation. They nurture us, support us, and are central to our identity. Unfortunately, there is a burgeoning threat to us all, our rapidly declining environment, in particular, the overuse and poor disposal of plastic waste. How are we to ensure our safety and uplift and celebrate our communities without protecting them first? This is where Eco-Spindles comes in. We are able to provide not only the infrastructure but also the capacity and know-how to view this would-be ecological disaster as untapped potential, benefiting all parties involved. At Eco-Spindles, we manufacture high-caliber monofilaments for cleaning tools and yarn for fabric manufacturers worldwide. In order to step up production and recycle as much PET as possible, it is necessary for the current systemic deficiency perpetrated by lack of education and ad hoc attempts of the past to be corrected. We dedicate ourselves to partnerships with organizations like Asia Foundation, Coca-Cola and many more whose initiatives and holistic attitude towards recycling is inspiring and synonymous with ours. We aim to develop a sustainable financial model for PET collection by establishing collection centers in Biergammer, Gaul, Vaunia and Jaffna, and by working with local authorities to involve communities and provide jobs in this sector, a grassroots approach with the potential for success and longevity. The network these projects aim to build extend from government bodies formulating and legalizing action plans to individuals who collect and sort bottles, as well as the private sector, where companies such as ours bale and transport the bottles to our facilities. In doing so, this plastic will no longer be discarded, damaging ocean ecosystems, or burnt, releasing harmful toxins in the air. Instead, it will be processed at our factories, where we possess the technology to turn this waste into value-added recycled goods. Our initiatives are multi-layered and seek to empower the communities at the sites of these centers, providing them with jobs as well as an education on the process and benefits of methodical and efficient recycling. Outreach and training events targeted at marginalized groups, specifically the establishment of a women's collective at these collection centers, increases the opportunity for employment exponentially in these areas, alleviating the financial and societal constraints placed on these disadvantaged men and women. By equipping these individuals with jobs, teaching them the skills they need, and providing them with a safe environment that adheres to all standards, we facilitate their emergence from poverty, making them a vital part of the economy. By uplifting themselves, they simultaneously uplift their families and their wider community. The total transparency of this process and the concomitant accountability we owe to everyone involved is what makes this a show of solidarity, a true stand against issues ranging from discrimination against women to poverty alleviation to environmental degradation. It's time to make a change, as a collective, as a community.